What's going on YouTube? My name is Kadarius and I'm so excited to announce my very first tutorial. What better way to jump it off than to show you some slow motion effects in Premiere Pro. So I'm going to show you how to turn this boring clip into something more interesting like this. All within 60 seconds. Let's go. For the best possible outcome, your frame rate should be higher than 24 frames per second. I chose 120 frames per second for this clip, but anything over 24 will work. Open Premiere Pro and create a new project. Create a new sequence and make sure the frame rate is set to 24 frames per second here. Import the footage, then right click on it. Go to Modify, then Interpret Footage. We want Premiere Pro to see this footage as if it was shot in 24 frames per second. Now drag that clip into the sequence, keep existing settings, and then you're all set.
Drop it for my faker. I'm leaning like Faber. I make it tornado.